Hi guys, welcome to another edition of trendRevolver Kitchen. Today we're going to make steamed rice rolls. So, the shell of the rice rolls will be made out of this rice roll flour. You can get it at any Ranch 99 or Asian market. And then the filling is going to consist of black wood ear mushrooms, onions, I've minced some shrimp, some jicama, and then over there I have some ground pork. So the first thing we're going to do is make the filling. So we're going to season with chicken broth powder and black pepper. So here I'm stir frying the onions, the wood ear mushroom, and the jicama root. At this point you're going to season it. Get some chicken powder. That should be enough. And black pepper. Okay. And continue to stir fry. Do this for about a few minutes, and then we're going to add in the ground pork. Here the ground pork is nearly done, and we're going to add in the shrimp, the minced shrimp now. So go ahead and dump that in. Stir fry it all around. It's important to keep all the pieces of meat kind of like separated out. And stir fry that for a few minutes until everything is nice and cooked. After the filling is nice and cooked, we're going to go on to make the rice roll shells. So earlier I had mixed a package of that rice roll mix with about 4 cups of water and about a tablespoon or a little bit more of oil. So you're going to have to stir it up and let that sit for about 15 to 20 minutes. It's important to let it sit because it opens up all the starch inside the rice flour, so when you make it, it's nice and springy. Rather than crusty. So to run through what we're going to do, we're basically going to make a thin layer of rice flour onto the pan, cook it really fast, and then flatten it out on this plate, add in about a spoon or two about the filling, and then roll it up. Okay, ready? Okay, we're heating up the pan. There's a little bit of oil in there. I'm going to add in the flour mix. About that much. Heat it up. You're going to move the pan around. I put a lid on it so then the shell doesn't get all dried out. So let it steam for a bit. I've added the filling in, and then I've wrapped it up, and that's it. I'm going to make a few more now. This shell is a little bit too thick, so the next one I'm going to make a little thinner. So we're steaming the thing. I'm going to optimize the process a little bit more. And what you're going to do is, rather than flip it onto a plate, and this might be a lot easier for everybody, you're going to go ahead and place the filling directly into the pan, just like so. Then you're going to go ahead and then roll it up just like that. Okay, and that's the easy way to do it. If you want to get fancy, you can make them into long rolls. So I used up all the filling, here's my extras, and here's what I'm going to eat. So basically you can serve with herbs like cilantro or mint or basil, and chop up some cucumbers, and you can also add some bean sprouts if you want. Normally this dish is served with Vietnamese steamed pork loaf, which is sliced right here. You can find that in any Asian market. And then I also sprinkle some fried onions, which you can also find in Asian market. You're going to use fish sauce, which I'll show you how to make in a few episodes. And you're just going to pour it on and enjoy it. Well, thanks for learning how to make steamed rice rolls, and until next time.